Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your CP Rail employee account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in employees.cpr.ca and then press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for CP Rail employees. Just type in your account credentials to continue forward. Enter your username that you have set while creating your account within the username section and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the log on button and you will be logged into your CP Rail employee account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can call within the given number and explain that you will need to reset your password because you have forgotten it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your CP Rail employee account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.